Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aha Jindagi Educare. In this lecture, we will discuss about De Morgan's laws, which is a part of laws of algebra of sets. So, what we do, we will first discuss what are De Morgan's laws, and then we'll try to prove De Morgan's law. Okay. So, what are De Morgan's laws? See, if A and B are any two sets, then De Morgan's laws say complement of A union B is equal to complement of set A intersection complement of set B. And second law says complement of A intersection B is equal to complement of set A union complement of set B. Okay. So we have to prove De Morgan's law. So what we can do, we can use two methods. One by using Venn diagram and other we will discuss. Okay. So by using Venn diagram method, what we can do, we can make Venn diagram of LHS, then we can make Venn diagram of RHS, and then we'll try to superimpose these two. If both sides superimpose, or we can say if both Venn diagram, that is Venn diagram of LHS and RHS superimposes, then both LHS and RHS will be equal. Okay. So see how we can prove by second method. So in this, suppose this is our set x and this is our set y, that is LHS equal to set x and RHS equal to set y. So two sets we can prove equal by proving that set x is a subset of set y and set y is a subset of set x. Okay. So how we can prove? See, suppose we are assuming x be any element of say A union B complement. Okay, so we can write x is an element of A union B complement. Okay, so if it is an element of this complement, so we can say that x will not be an element of A union B, and this we can write as x is not an element of set A, and x is also not an element of set B. See, here it is union, but we are writing and. This is because if x is not an element of A union B, so it should neither be in A nor in B. So it will be and. Okay. So don't get confused. Okay. So x is an element of A complement and x is an element of B complement. So this we can write as x is an element of A complement intersection B complement. If you notice here, we have started by assuming x as an element of A union B complement and concluded that x is also an element of A complement intersection B complement. Therefore, we can say that A union B complement is a subset of A complement intersection B complement. Okay. Suppose this is equation 1. Now we are assuming y be any element of A complement intersection B complement. So y is an element of A complement intersection B complement. So we can write as y is an element of A complement and y is an element of B complement, or we can write as, see, y is an element of A complement, it means y is not an element of set A and y is not an element of set B. So we can say that y is not an element of A union B. Okay. So y is an element of A union B complement. Okay. Here also, if you see, we have started by assuming y as an element of A complement intersection B complement and concluded that y is also an element of A union B complement. So A complement intersection B complement is a subset of A union B complement. Now if you see 1 and 2, we have proved that this is a subset of this and this is a subset of this. So from 1 and 2, we can say that A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Okay. Now we will see the proof of part B. So in part B, we have to prove A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Okay. So here also we will use same method and will try to prove. So we are assuming here that X is an any element of A intersection B complement. So we can write X is an element of A intersection B complement. See, it is an element of A intersection B complement, so we can write X is not an element of A intersection B, and this can be written as X is not an element of set A, or X is not an element of set B. So this can be written as X is an element of A complement, or X is an element of B complement, and this X is an element of A complement union B complement. So if you notice here, we have started by assuming X is any element of A intersection B complement and concluded that X is also an element of A complement union B complement. Therefore, A intersection B complement is a subset of A complement union B complement. So this is our equation 1. Similarly, we are assuming Y be any element of A complement union B complement. So we can write Y is an element of A complement union B complement. And from here, Y is an element of A complement, or Y is an element of B complement. So Y is not an element of set A, or Y is not an element of set B. And from this we can write Y is not an element of A intersection B. Okay. So Y is an element of A intersection B complement. Okay. So if you see here, we have started by assuming Y as an element of A complement union B complement and concluded that Y is also an element of A intersection B complement. Therefore, we can say that A complement union B complement is a subset of A intersection B complement. Okay. So from 1 and 2, we can conclude that from 1 and 2, we can conclude that A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Okay friends, so in this lecture we have discussed what is De Morgan's law, and we have also discussed its proof. Okay friends, thank you.